All right, so check this crap out. Came out here. There's always something. I got campers coming like in the next couple of hours here and freaking tree down. So I gotta figure out a way to get this tree out of the way. I don't have enough time to cut it up and move it. I got a good idea here. Either this is gonna make for a great video because it's a fail or it works perfectly, but I'm gonna try to tie a strap to the end there, all the way to the end, put it around that tree, and then bring it out to my truck. Let's see if this works. I got this strap for a zip line that we built. That's a whole different story. All right, see what it does. I got this little production going on here. Real questionable. Real questionable. So it is a crazy length of a strap to have, but I'm telling you, I use this thing all the time to be pulling stuff out the woods, and it just worked perfect on that tree. Pulled the whole tree off to the side. Accidentally took another tree down, but definitely recommend that for if you got a farm or got some property and need to get stuff done. Works miracles.